location to them and from Caney's location to them. And if you only went to each of these once a month, which practically you're not only going to the grocery store once a month, you're probably going to be at Walmart once a week, at least. But if you only went once a month on these 16, at the end of that month, our residents drive 104 miles further to get to those destinations. Now, when people are looking to buy a property, a lot of times they're looking for convenience and access. They're concerned about fire safety, they're concerned about the sheriff's response, they're concerned about the ambulance response. My father had a stroke with a heart arrhythmia back in January. It took the ambulance just short of 2 hours to come get him. Now, Caney has 2 ambulance services 5.4 miles within where these houses are at. So that's a consideration when people are looking to buy a property. We've been compared with the property different in every aspect. These come from the county records. Population total. Brown Springs has 186 people. Caney has 1,232. We have 89 housing units. They have 619. Our occupied units are 78. Their occupied units are 516. We have 11 vacant properties. They have 103. The median home value in Brown Springs is $68,750. The median home value in Caney is $83,586. That's a $14,000 plus interest difference in the two. Average home value is $112,500. In Brown Springs, it's $128,000. In Caney, that's an $8,000 difference. But the more interesting and more impacting thing is income. Median household income in Brown Springs is $38,095 a year. The same thing in Caney is $42,560 a year. That is a $4,465 a year difference or if you want to look at it monthly, those folks are making about $372 more a month out there than anybody in our community is making. The average household income, because you can look at it median or average, is $46,236 in Brown Springs and $51,278 in Caney. That's a $5,000 difference, or about a $420 a month difference in income. So I guess you can afford to pay $5,000 or $6,000 an acre if you're making that much more a year or a month than another community is. My property was originally assessed at $12,100 for 5 acres. When I got this notice, they told me they were going to appraise it at $5,800 an acre, which is $29,000. So my value was increased for 5 acres, $12,100 to $30,000 in the slope of one stick by being compared to these parcels. Now, I have to compete in the sales market. If you're going to look at the value of land, one of the most important things is location, location, location. I'm in the middle of nowhere. These properties are 7 to 4 miles from Lake DeGray. I can't offer the access to the lake. I can't offer the ease of getting to all the amenities at DeGray Lake. The roads are bad at my place. They're good at that place. There's a higher risk of not having your ambulances, police departments, and fire departments get to you in time in Brown Springs. And they have easy and post access to all of those things. We have, as I said, issues with crime out there because of our remoteness. We also have a faith-based rehab out there for drug addicts and alcoholics. I don't know about you, but if I was a new person looking in an area to settle and had small children and a wife that were going to be home a lot, that would concern me. It is not regulated because it is state value. We've had issues with people wandering in roads, we've had trespassing, we've had cows chased, and a number of other problems from that facility. The other issue is we're 1.7. Yes.
I'm not trying to be